Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore inverse proportion. When two quantities x and y are said to be in inverse proportion, y is said to be inversely proportional to x, and when that happens, there are some observations. First, the general equation looks like this. Y is equal to k over x, or you can do some rearrangement of the terms in this equation such that x and y is equals to k. And this k is a constant, meaning there is this fixed value that relates to x and y. When I multiply x with y, it always gives me this fixed value k. Okay? And there is also another observation that can be made. When I plot y against x, it looks something like this. So I'm going to just... the graph looks something like this. If I have a y over against x, it will look like this curve. Okay, and this curve is actually, there's a name given to it. It is called a hyperbola. Alright, that's the name of this curve. And if I were to plot y against 1 over x, then it is a straight line that passes through, but not including the origin. Okay, because x cannot be equals to 0. Alright, we cannot divide something by x. So how does this graph looks like? So it is quite interesting. So for this, the graph actually looks like this. Y against 1 over x. Actually, we will draw a circle to denote that for this particular point, origin, that this line, the line, right, the straight line, right, the straight line thus passes through the origin, but do not include the origin. Okay, that means this line will continue to go, but it's just that this particular point, origin, it does not include it. It is not part of this graph. Right? And last observation is that when one quantity increases, the other actually decreases. And because it is a straight line graph, it's actually decreasing at the same rate. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this introduction. As we explore further examples to help us understand deeper into this concept.